Hi there and welcome to syncX, Stock Sync. You can update or export harmonized system code to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select harmonized system code from the store product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. To set a fixed value for all products, click Fixed Value and enter desired value. For the Harmonized System Code Smart Settings, you can remove any prefix or postfix that's attached to the code. Shopify only accepts 6 digits code. For example, if the code in the feed is CN234567 but the code is 234567, simply enter the CN in the field to remove it. You can also skip updates when the feed value is blank. Note that a value of 0 is not considered blank. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.